to my channel. I am Sammy Jayne and welcome to my channel IdleGirl. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is super exciting and I'm so happy to be able to tell you guys that I am an ambassador for Nail Tech Network. If you don't know what that is, it is an online store where you can buy all sorts of professional nail supplies. And yes, it's just super awesome and I'm so excited and so grateful to Danny for wanting me to be part of the team, so yay! I'm super excited. I have a haul for you guys. So we have a little haul, a little unboxing, whatever you want to call it. I made a few purchases and let's just get into it and see what I got. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing here, I have already opened these by the way and I have already used them. I'm so naughty. I know, but I just could not wait. I'm so sorry, but yeah. So you're not exactly seeing my first impressions because they were very excitable and I don't think you guys would have been able to deal with that. But yes, let's get into it. So the first thing that I've got here is a stamper. Now, Danny kindly sent this to me. I did not buy this. And I'm definitely going to be using it. So it's just this cute little stamper with the Nail Tech Network logo on it, and it's also got a plastic scraper, which plastic scrapers are the best. You do not want to use a metal one because it will ruin your stamping plate. Trust me, I have experienced it myself. So that is that. I've also got some glitters here which I'm so excited about. A few of them were part of what I ordered and a few of them she's actually sent me herself. So I'm gonna like just show you, but look how cute. I mean, oh my god. So they say glitz and bits on the front. Oh, just like that. And they are so cute. I'm going to move forward so I can show you these a little bit better. But we have got this one which is like a greeny colour and it is called Seafoam. We have got Very Nice. My camera is not dealing well right now with this. Which is like a purpley one. We have got Peach Bellini and Orange Crush. Oh my gosh, so nice. And that is just what they look like. I'm just going to take these out as I see them. Some of them have got names and some of them haven't. I'm going to try and show you all the ones. Okay, so this is the last one with a name on it. It's called Make 'em Wink. Oh my god, and it's gorgeous. It's like a pretty pink. And it's got like a mixture of different sizes, which that is my favourite glitter, like mixtures are like my favourites. So we've also got these two. Oh my god. I'm super excited about these two. Look at them. Excited. You guys know I love my glitters like too much. Oh, I guess this is like a pigment. This is like a purple pigment and then these are so pretty as well. Look at that glitter, like for real. You guys are going to be seeing these up close and personal in videos. I promise you, like really promise you guys, I will be using these. I've already used some of the other stuff, like I'll get into that. We will get into that, but yeah. Oh, okay. We have these two here. Oh my god. I am in love. I am in love! I think I've just seen my favourite one. Oh my god, look at this one. Look at this. Okay, and then we've got another pigment. Ooh. Look at that glitter, you guys. Hollow and sparkly and beautiful. So yes, that is the glitters and the pigments that Danny sent me a lot of those out of the kindness of her heart, and I will definitely be using them. I am so excited, man. I'm too excited about this stuff. I get way too excited about like nail things. It's an actual illness, I do believe, but it's fine. There are worse things, to be fair. So right, let me try and get this right now. I have these 4 Glam and Glitz colours, and apparently no, I only have 3. Where's the other one? I also was a little bit too excited and forgot to mention straight off the bat that if you want to get 6% off Nail Tech Network, you can use my code IdleGirl, IDLEGIRL, all in capitals. It's linked down below anyway, so you can always, in all my videos, you'll be able to go download to find out the code if you forget it or anything like that. So just so you guys know, you can get 6% off using my code, and that would be super awesome as well. So I have these 4 that me and Danny exchanged a few bits. I sent her some things and she sent me some things, and these are what she sent me. And it was these 4 Glam and Glitz colours. Now I have done a set of nails using all 4 of these. Some of them are already up and some of them, those 4 will all be up before this video, I think. So yeah, you will probably already see them. But we have got Hazel and Obsessive Compulsive. And we have also got Desire and Surf. And then that is just the really cute Nail Tech Network logo, which you will probably see on a lot of my pictures. So yes, so I got those ones. Now let me try and get this right. She does like special sets each month, and the June one had in it some of those glitters, but I can't remember exactly which ones. I think 4 of the glitters that I showed you were part of this kit. It also came with the Glitter Bells monomer, which is right here, and a Glitter Bells pink opal acrylic powder. So the monomer is where is it? I don't know. It doesn't say the size on it, I can't remember what the size is, and this is a 50g pink opal. It also came with a KIARA Sky No Wipe top coat, which I really wanted, and yes, love. And it also came with another 4 of the Glam and Glitz colours. No, another 3, sorry, of the Glam and Glitz colours, because I bought extra things as well and I'm trying to remember which came in the kit, so it's really hard. But yeah, we have Strut, which is quite similar to the other blue that I've got, but it is different, like they're not the exact same. We've got Karen, and I have just swatched these on the top just for my own like personal thing, but I will be doing full-on videos with these, do not worry. And we've also got Enchantress, which I'm just so excited about these, you guys. Seriously, I'm so excited. Okay, so I then ordered another 3 Glam and Glitz colours. I ordered this one, which is called Romantique. Now, I ordered these just by obviously what I'd seen on the website, so I wasn't 100% what any of them were going to be like when they came. But yeah, I just kind of went through what I could see. So this is Romantique, and I will show you the swatch of it. So that's how it has swatched, and I'm super excited. I'm really pleased with it. I've got this one here, which is Raspberry Truffle, which is gorgeous, and it's like rose gold shards and like a mixture of different shards, and it's just beautiful. And then this one here is called Flamingo, and this is actually what I have on my nails right freaking now. Seriously, you guys. So on my nails right now, I have got Surf, the pink opal by Glitter Bells, and then that Flamingo glitter. And this is what they are looking like. I am in love. There is also a video of this, and that video will, I'm pretty sure, be up after this one. So this video will be up first. I've also got the No Wipe top coat on, and I just love it. It was really, really good. I just see, for me, I'm like, why would you even use a normal top coat anymore? Like, seriously, just use a No Wipe. It makes life so much easier, unless obviously you're using like chrome or anything over the top, then you might. Well, you would still use a No Wipe. Yeah, just get a No Wipe, guys. It's so much easier. Okay, so I've also got these 3 KIARA Sky things. Now, obviously, like I said, I could only go by what I could see on the website, and I didn't know what any of them were going to look like. So this one is called Chit Chat, and it just looks like that. The lighting seems super bright, you guys, but you know. And it just looks like that. It's like a purpley pink. Going to be in videos. All these products you will be seeing full on in videos. I've got this one, which is really very difficult to see. I feel like it needs to go over the top of another colour. It's like a glittery, iridescent-y. Now, when I swatched these, it was literally just one quick swatch. So, to be fair, you're not getting like really the proper look of these. This isn't even supposed to be a swatch video. I just swatched them because I was trying to decide what to do with my nails. That's literally why I did that with these, because I knew I was going to use these new stuff on my nails and I was trying to figure out what to do. And then this is the one that I'm super excited about, and it is called Confetti. I absolutely love the packaging of these. Like, oh, the packaging is so beaut, but this is just what it looks like. I really, really want, because I use poppets on myself or jewel forms on myself, gel polish designs are going to be a lot easier for me. I mean, I did a really good job with these, I think. I'm pretty impressed. But yeah, so I really do want to get a lot more gel polishes, and these are the kind that I want, like the sparkly ones with all the different glitters in and all of that. I just love it. And I think that's everything. I'm pretty sure that is everything that I got that I'm hauling for you guys today. I am so happy, so excited about all of this stuff, so in love with it all. I'm just like... So Danny, if you do watch this video, thank you so much for choosing me to be one of your ambassadors and join the team. There are some gorgeous, amazing girls on the team of ambassadors, and I'm so happy to be part of it. It's super exciting, and thank you so much. If you are new here and you enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button, stick around. We are growing on this channel nice and slowly, and I just want you all to join me and just be as excited as I am about nails and makeup. By the way, this makeup look will be on the channel very soon as well. It is one of the Makeup Monday looks, so you all will be able to see that if you're into makeup too. I mean, I'm guessing if y'all are into nails, you're probably going to be into like makeup stuff too. I am. I love it all, but yeah. So yeah, I mean, I'm super excited and super happy with all my products. I cannot wait to get using them all, and you will be seeing videos with all of these in the pretty close future. So thank you for watching, guys. I love you so, so much. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up because it does help me out. Leave your comments down below. I will reply to every single comment. I always do, and I love talking to you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye!